Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy. IAS Icon is the name of the channel, and today I am going to discuss a lot of good results about Vedic mathematics. What exactly is Vedic mathematics and how it can be useful for the calculations. So this lecture is dedicated to all the UPSC aspirants, also CAT aspirant, Z aspirant, SSC aspirant, Bank PO aspirant, and today I am going to give you something really amazing that you may not have heard about. So yes, there are rules you may be knowing, but at the end there would be one Unacademy bashing rule which would actually be not known to, I think so, it would not be known. Baki, I think there would be talented people around, right? So guys, welcome to the world of Unacademy, right? We are the largest learning platform in India. Why Unacademy, right? You know why Unacademy. There are a lot of reasons. We have widest range of educators. We have a lot of flexibility, unlimited watch hours, right? Then there are dedicated doubt sessions, notes, and the results as well, right? We have got the results as well, guys. And now for UPSC, I think we have got the best team in India. You know the faces, right? This is the team UPSC, guys. Also, guys, Unacademy subscription for plus and iconic courses. You can use IAS Icons, and you would get a discount of 10% using this code for the subscription. Similarly, you can take a combo package as well, right? So combo subscriptions you would also get a discount of 10% using the same code IAS Icons, right? Then guys, we have Unacademy optional subscription, and again you may use the same code IAS Icons, and you would get the same 10% discount. Also, guys, we are giving you 20 booklets, GS booklets, which would cost you meager 9,900 rupees. It covers each and every topic which is vital. It covers all good topics, right? Similarly, the batch, this is one batch we have launched on 29th of September, and you know the faces, the teachers. Also, I invite you to, if you want to join this batch, you're most welcome. And then guys, you can call upon this number 8585858585, and you can avail each and every kind of subscription at EMIs, right? Avail a loan and a no cost EMI, right? So guys, this is your chance to join the course. And I am Rishi Bhargava, and I would be taking on CSAT classes on this platform. Now CSAT happens to be really dicey, and most of you actually and generally struggle, and these are the times when the struggle begins. Generally, November, December, when you are over with your optional, then you realize that you would have to work for this exam as well, right? So today in CSAT, the name of the CSAT course is Check the CSAT. Now you can follow me on Telegram, guys. The channel is IAS Icons 1, and you can follow me on my community. The link is Bhargava Rish. All right. So today we are going to talk about CSAT, and I always say check the CSAT, meaning let's clear it together. And today's component is going to be Vedic mathematics and quick calculations. Now I know that most of you struggle with calculations. Why? Vedic is really important, right? See, it's a very simple logic. First is struggle with the calculations. There are a lot of students who come to me and say, sir, we are very poor at calculations. Though I really don't like people talking like this about themselves only, but anyhow, struggle with the calculation. Second, we have to save space. In any exam, you are given a limited number of rough sheets, so you should have certain methods so that you save your space. And thirdly, it increases your IQ. Yes, if you have good calculations, better calculations, this would actually increase your IQ. And today I'm going to give you something mysterious. Something you may not have heard about. I think so, I hope so. So we can call it like Unacademy amazing result, Unacademy bashing result, right? So let's get started. And I ask you all to please even share it with your younger brothers and sisters. If they are in 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, probably they would also like it, and maybe they can inculcate these methods into day-to-day calculations, right? Now Vedic maths generally starts with a lot of tricks on multiplication. So please see, if I say what is 43 into 52, guys, generally people do it in 2 steps. You should do it in 1 step. Now please don't write, just observe, right? So first thing, just marking something, and probably you'd love it also. So there is a single mark of starting from the right hand side, which means what is 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. And then, mark on 2 digits. Mark on 2 digits is cross multiply and add. So 2 4s are 8 and 5 3s are 15. Cross multiply and add. So 2 4s are 8 and 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. So you write 3 over here, 2 carried, and mark on the last, right? So the last mark is to the left hand side, which means multiply these two. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is 22. So your answer is 2236. So listen, rather than writing the method, you should know the covering. Covering on single, covering on double, covering on single. 1 step single method. We don't need to even check it. I think it's more of a combination of the same thing that you have been doing. So I have just done it in 1 step. Simple as it is. Sir, one more example. So I say what is 53 into 44, right? 53 into 44. Sir, again, let's cover it up. Let's cover this up, right? So mark on the first. 4 3s are 12. So 4 3s are 12. 2 written, 1 carry. Then mark on 2. Mark on 2. Cross multiply 20. 5 4s are 20. Cross multiply 4 3s are 12. 20 plus 12. Now listen. 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12, right? 20 plus 12 is 32 plus 1 is 33, right? 3 carry. And last 4 5s are 20 and 23. 2 3 3 2. So whensoever you get a 2 digit into 2 digit, I think this is genuinely good rather than writing the whole thing. Isn't it? Genuinely good rather than writing the whole thing. One so more, sir. I say what is 72 into 54, right? Let's see. So 4 2s are 8. Now I'm not making the marks as well. Not at all making the marks. Then 4 7s are 28. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 28, 38. 3 carry. 5 7s are 35 plus 3, 38. 3 888. So we are done with one method where we realize that things are not as tough, guys, isn't it? Secondly, this has nothing to do with Vedic mathematics. I've just combined the same genuine method that you guys have been working upon in your school. So I have combined those steps and got this as a method. So this is not Vedic maths. Now what is Vedic maths? Generally Vedic maths is using 10 and its power to multiply or calculate, right? So how does it happen? Now listen, probably you would also understand that, sir, single step would be very, very tough. If we say what is 98 into 99, in that case, sir, the 2-step method is far better. Why? because 9 8s are 72. So most of you would write 2 over here, 7 carry. Sir, this is 81 and 72. So most of you would do this. At the end, there is no point. Isn't it? No, sir. This is not good, right? Even I understand that cross multiplication method may not be good over here, but then we use Vedic Maths. Here comes Vedic Maths, guys. Vedic Maths is basically use of zeros. Now, listen, both these numbers 98 and 92 are near 100. So we take base as 100. So what are the bases? 10 and its power, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So I'm writing it. What are bases? Your bases are 10 to the power 1 and 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 3 and so on. These are your bases. Alright, these are your bases. So now listen, rather than going for this method where we had to multiply and then add as well, it could have been tough. What we do is 98 is how much less than 100 minus 2 and 99 is how much less than 100 minus 1. So whenever the numbers are near the base, which happens to be either 100 or 1000, we will talk about more bases, don't worry, right? So now we can easily, now listen to me, make a partition over here and to the right hand side 2 spaces for number of zeros in the bases. So since there are 2 zeros to 2 spaces, right? Now it's so easy. Listen, what is 1 into 2? Multiply these two. 1 2s are 2, so 0 2, right? 0 2. 1 2s are 2, and then what is 98 minus 1? 97. What is 99 minus 2? 9702. So 98 into 99 is 9702. So easy. Sir, one more example. So let's see. I say what is 89 into 94, right? So guys, how much less? Minus 11. How much less? Minus 6. And since again we are using base as 100, how many spaces? Sir, 2 spaces. Now multiply these two numbers. Minus 6 into minus 11 is 66. So write 66 over here. And then what is 89 minus 6? 83. Or 94 minus 11, 83. So someone asked me once that, sir, both ways it would be same. Yes, come on, it would be same. Think about it, right? It's such a genuinely easy thing. What I'm doing is 89 into 94 is 100 minus 11 into 100 minus 6, right? So I am using base as 100. Now you may get the reason behind this formation, right? So please don't worry, either this side or this side, your answer is going to be same, please. Sir, one more example. I say why there are 2 zeros. This is really important, guys. Why there are 2 zeros? So listen, I say what is 88 into 89. Now I am in trouble, right? So 88 is 12 less than 100, 89 is 11 less than 100, and then 2 spaces. Again, you make a partition, 2 spaces. What is 11 into 12? 11 12s are 132, but I only have 2 spaces. That is the limitation of 2 spaces, guys. 132, so you write 32 and 1 to be carried to the next step. And that is 88 minus 11, 77. 88 minus 11, 77 plus 178. Remember, any more digits other than 2 digits would actually be carried on to the next step. So I did not write 77132. I write 32, I carry 1 to the next step. 77 was there plus 178, right? Sir, what is the limitation, guys? You have to set the limitation. I may ask you, what is 76 into 98? So either you can try it with cross multiplication method, isn't it? You may try it with cross multiplication method, or you say, sir, this is minus 2 less and this is minus 24 less than 100. See, minus 2 less than 100 and minus 24 less than 100. And what is 2 times 24? It is 48. 2 times 24 is 48, and then what is 76 minus 2? 74. So your answer is 7448. So whenever you are near 100 or not near 100, now 2-digit number into 2-digit number won't be a pain. I hope so. Right. Now, how do you practice it? One time is that you can join the full course. I'm going to give you this as a full topic. Yes, I'm going to make it absolutely a lot of results are there on Vedic mathematics. We need to discuss it, because at the end every question at the end requires calculations, and calculations should actually be good. There are beautiful results on percentages we will discuss. So I am hoping that you guys would communicate with me, and you would obviously let me know how do you like these classes, and how we can make them more interactive, right? Then, sir, where is the limitation? Listen, there is no limitation to the calculations. Always keep this thing in mind. How, sir? So listen, I can say what is 112 into 107. Now again, both the numbers, though there are 3-digit numbers, both the numbers are near 100. Yes, sir. So I say let the base be 100, right? In that case, how much bigger than 100? Plus 12, and this is plus 7. Partition 2 spaces. Partition and 2 spaces, right? Now my question to you is, what is 12 sevens are? So again you multiply these two, right? 12 sevens are 84, and then either you go cross, you have to go cross. So 112 plus 7 or 107 plus 12, one out of it, 11984. So when you are near 100, things are pretty sorted out, isn't it? They are pretty easy. It is all up to you. How do you analyze it? I say what is 113 into 112. So I take base as 100, and this is plus of 13, and this is plus of 12, and make a partition only 2 spaces because the base is 100. Now what is 13 into 12, right? This is something you have to perform, and once you attend these classes on Vedic mathematics, the 2-digit number into 2-digit number can be actually sorted out in your mind only. It is 156. 56 written, 1 carried to the next step, right? And then what is 113 plus 12? 113 plus 12 is 125, plus 1 is 126. So your answer is 12656. So I think 100 base won't be a problem, and if you are smart, if you are good, you should yourself understand that extension of bases now is easy. The calculations that we used to think are tough would actually become very, very easy. For example, I say, what is 989 into 988? Probably if we were in 7th class, 8th class, 9th class, this would be a tough calculation, because this would involve 3 steps. But not over here, isn't it? I don't think now we need to bother too much about it. Listen, sir, base 1000. So both the numbers are near 1000. So base is 1000, and this is minus 11 less, this is minus 12 less, and 3 spaces. 3 spaces. See, this is important. Spaces. Why 3 spaces, sir? In your mind, you should understand this. The 3 spaces correspond to the 3 zeros in the bases. So the base is 1000. So 3 zeros. In that case, there are 3 spaces. Now what is 11 into 12? 132. 11 into 12, 132. And then either you say 988 minus 11, or you say 989 minus 12, 977132. All right, 977132. So not at all a problem. See, it is your choice. I say what is 1024 into 1004. Now both the numbers are again near 1000, but this time it is more than 1000, 24 more than 420, and 3. What is 24 times 4? Guys, it is 96. So you write 0, 9, 6. And this is also important. You have, if there is a space and there are 3 spaces but there are only 2 digits, so the remaining digit has to be put as 0. And then 124 plus 4 comes to be 1028. So your answer is 1028,096. Right. So I hope now suddenly, you can go home, talk to your younger brother or maybe your parents and tell them, today I have found something, and then, perform these kind of calculations. See how happy your parents would be, or maybe even bigger. See, I can say now, if you're a smart student, you can actually understand that there is unlimited, no limitation propaganda over here, right? Either it is 99,99,99,89 into 99,99,99,88. Probably in terms of calculator, you would get your answer as E, right? But now let's see how many digits are these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 digits are there. So both the numbers are near 10 to the power 8. Base is 10 to the power 8. Base is 10 to the power 8. So how much less than 10 to the power 8? Sir, minus 11, and this is minus 12. Sir, partition. 1 partition, right? And how many zeros to the right hand side? How many spaces to the right hand side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why? Because in the base there are 8 zeros. Because in the base there are 8 zeros. Now what is 11 into 12? 132. So 132 and 0 and 0 and 0 and 0 and 0. Right? And then same thing. 988 minus 11, 77. Answer. Right? So bases are genuinely easy. And if you are not aware of it, chalo, today we know it, isn't it? But again, I am not seriously more inclined towards these kind of calculations where base 100,000 is taken. I haven't seen much of use. Yes, sometimes I use it while solving papers, but that cross multiplication method of 2-digit numbers into 2-digit numbers is really, really important, right? So now, sir, if the base does not work, that is really, really important. 100 base does not work, 1000 base does not work, 10,000 base does not work. Then also you should have something in your mind, right? For example, I say, what is the multiplication of 432 into 532? Now, not 100 base would work, no 1000 base would work. It would be a very lengthy calculation, pointless calculation. So I think over here the base does not work at all. But then, remember, music is key to your focus. So I am going to be a bit musical over here. I think first 2 steps are same. All of you should understand that if you are smart, this question can be catered. And I'm giving you a method. To solve this calculation, and I've given you so many methods to solve the calculations. But guys, if you are given multiple choices, 4 options, you don't need to have any method. We'll talk about this also, right? So first of all, have a look at this, right? So it is a cover on 3, A, B, C. So start from right, cover on C, cover on B, C, cover on A, B, then left is A, B, and then A. Alright, so you have 5 covers. Again, A, B, C, first cover, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, and A. So this is the covering that you have to understand. Once you start understanding the covering, things would be sorted out. So cover on 2 first. So you start on the right hand side, 2 2s are 4. Same step, sir, as we did it in multiplication of 2 by 2. Then cover on these 2. So cross multiply and add. This is 6, 2 3s are 6, and 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, 1 carry. 12. So 1 carry. So if you are understanding, please pay attention. If you are given 4 options, the answer which is ending with 24 would be the right option. Maybe you get one of the answers. So this is also good. You may think of a unit digit of an answer and maybe last 2 digits of an answer. But then you need to know the cover on 3. Believe me, if you want to check with options also, cover on 3 is really important. So cover on 3. Cover on 3 is basically a song. Now please, basically a song. It is corner into corner, corner into corner, middle into middle. Right? Again, see, over here it is corner into corner, 2 4s are 8. Corner into corner, 5 2s are 10. 8 plus 10, 18. Right? So now keep it here in your mind somewhere where you can bring it back. Again, I'm saying corner into corner 8, corner into corner 10, 8 plus 10, 18. Middle into middle 9, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 1, 28. You should be good at cover on 3. I think I may not give you cover on 4, cover on 5. I don't care, because if I have been given options, I should know what are the last 3 digits of my answer. So if you are given options, the right answer should end with 824, and I think it would work in 50 to 60% questions, right? And then again cover on 2. I want to find the answer, cover on 2. So this is 12, 3 4s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 12 plus 15 comes out to be 27, plus 2 is 29, 2 carry, and then 5 4s are 20, 20 and 2, 22. So your real answer is 229, 824. But logically, you may say, sir, the real answer should end with 824, right? Works for you. But then, guys, I know you may not be able to write properly, and I don't want you to write any steps. I want you to write covers, right? Remember, A, B, C, cover on 1, cover on 2, cover on 3, last 2, last 1. You should be good at this. Sir, one more example. And then, after going through this example, I'm giving you an amazing Unacademy bashing rule where you're given options. You don't need to do this, right? Wow. Sir, why did you, do it as a whole? I needed certain examples, right? That is the reason I did it as a whole. So, but please, guys, you should be good enough to do it, right? So I say 724 into 4, 3, 4. So, guys, first 16, 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, cover on 2. Cover on 2 is 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. 8 plus 12 is 20 plus 1, 21, 2 carried. Cover on 3. Right. Corner into corner 28, corner into corner 16, 28 plus 6. See, 28 plus 16. 28 plus 10 is 38, 38 plus 6 is 44, 44 and middle into middle 44, middle into middle is 3 2s are 6, 44 plus 6 is 50 plus 2 is 52. Sir, one more time, listen. Right, 4 7s are 28, 4 4s are 16. 28 plus 16 is tough to do in mind. So why don't you do 28 plus 10, 38, 38 plus 6 comes out to be 44. 44 and then middle into middle is 6. 44 plus 6 is 50 plus 2 is 52. Right? Huh? And then guys, last two, cover on last two, 21 plus 8, 20. See, 3 7s are 21, 4 2s are 8, 21 plus 8, 29 plus 5, 34. Right? 34. And then the cover on the last one is 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 3, 31. The answer is 3 1 4 2 1 6. But the point is, you should be smart enough to understand that your right answer should end with 216. Right? That is where I find this to be seriously good, seriously interesting. Right? Where people actually don't understand this, I think that seriously this is a good way of solving calculations. Like suppose you are solving a question on profit and loss, and at the end you have to multiply these two. If you are given options, you don't need to multiply. One reason I've given is that your real answer ends with 216. Three steps, first three steps may give you an answer, right? So there would may be a whole big calculation, but you may think of this as a method where I say 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3 into 2, 1, 4, 6, 3, 2, right? If this is a multiplication given in your paper and options are given, you don't need to solve it as a whole, right? First is real answer should end with 6. Second is real answer should end with this is 10 and 9, 19. The real answer should be 6. And then this is 8 and 18. See, 18 plus 8 is 18 plus 8, 26 plus 15, 41, 42. So the real answer should either end with 296. We don't need to perform the whole calculation. But if you say, sir, all the answers are ending with 296, what shall we do? Now listen to me very, very carefully. The greatest of the great rules, right? The second thing is, guys, listen, be smart. Guys, listen, be smart. Just make a single digit out of it. How, sir? Add them. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13. So I get 13, 13, 1 plus 3 is 4, right? And over here 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 3 is 11, right? 4, 7, 11, that is 2. All right, all right. And then these two numbers are multiplied, make those single digits, make single digits, add on, make single digits. 9 plus 4, 13, 1 plus 3, 4. This is 7 plus 4, 11, 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now multiply these single digits, your answer comes whichsoever option gives you a single digit 8, that would be a right answer. So let's see, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 2, right? 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 6, 17, 1 plus 7 is 8. This is the right answer in options. Do not disclose it to anyone, right? Sir, one more. Now listen, again I make a single digit, 4, 3, 7 and this is 9 and then this comes out to be 10. 10 means 1, right? 1 into 9 is 9. 1 into 9 is 9. So if this is your right answer, its single digit has to be 9. Check out. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 9 comes out to be 13. 13 plus 8 comes out to be 21 plus this is 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. Yes, sir. This is your right answer in the options. Now you have got two methods from the option. First is check out the last three digits. It would work. If it does not work, by God's grace, if it does not work, remember the Unacademy rule, right? Remember the Unacademy rule. Sir, give us more examples. Let's see. Is this a right answer? 9 plus 8. See, 9 plus 8 is 17 plus 9 comes out to be 26. 2 plus 6 comes out to be 8. And 9 plus, see, 8 plus 8 is 16. And 16 plus 9 is 25. Around 2 plus 5 is 7. And your answer is 7 8s are 56. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this answer would be right when single digit is 2. So 9 plus 7 is 16. Add up. 9 plus 7 is 16 plus 7, 23, 23, 24, 24 and plus 5 is 22 plus 9 is and 1 plus 1 is 2. Boss, this is your right answer. Got it? This is your right answer. Great. Huh? Now you are understanding. Wow, sir, right? You may check it anywhere, guys. Come on, you may check it anywhere. Sir, over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 nines, 63. Addition of 9 plus 9 plus 9, 7 times 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 8 comes out to be 71. 71 means summation 8. Right? 71 means summation 8. Obviously, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6, 54, 54 plus 16 is 70. 70 gives you summation 7. So now 56, your right answer should be some single digit as 2. So just take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 nines are, right? 6 nines are 54. 54 plus 14, 54 plus 10, 64, 68, 68, 69, 69 plus 5, 74, 74, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 plus 1, 2, right? Come on. You can check any of your options with this method. So what do we call it? From today onwards, we call it Unacademy rule for checking multiplications when you are given multiple options. First rule is check out the unit digit, last two digit or last three digits, or you may check out the single digit like this, right? So I hope guys I have made this class interesting and good for you, and I hope that you have certainly learned something new today. Keep coming for the classes, keep enjoying it, just send some messages on YouTube so that I also get some encouragement, and maybe I share the whole Vedic mathematics to you. Welcome to the world of Vedic mathematics. So it's not only Vedic mathematics, there are certain techniques, there are certain things that I have learned through my experiences that I would love to share with you. And probably, with good calculations and good percentage skills, you would be really good at one section, data interpretation, which most of you actually struggle, right? With that, thank you so much, guys. So let's see what Unacademy has an offer for us. All of us see. So guys, you can subscribe for mains test series, right? So you can just check out. You would love to master the answer writing techniques, right? So details are given on this page. And then you want to score 325 or more in your optional subjects, optional available to us are through public administration, geography and mathematics. Mathematics seriously is a very, very good option, right? It's a very scoring option. And then guys, there was a special session, history special session, October 2. So there was a scholarship on offer. I hope many of you have contested in the in this combat and won amazing prizes. Guys, you may explore this doubt browser feature on our app. It's an amazing feature. I hope that you enjoy it as well. With that, thank you so much. My real thanks to all of you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your amazing comments. Makes my day. My greetings to all of you. Jai Hind.